Merge statements are emulated by using a combination of delete, update, and insert statements. This, of course, depends on the exact structure of your merge statement. So if you look at one procedure which has a merge statement here, we can see, actually, let me go into code and select merge statement just so you can see more easier the boundaries of that statement. So we can see that there is no merge in the target. We have an update plus we have insert here. And this, of course, changes depending on what exactly are we using here. So if I start playing with this, for example, by going to Scratchpad here, and I paste it here. So, of course, as our translation is super fast, we can just start changing things. If I delete the clause for when merged then update, the whole update statement is gone. If I delete the clause with the insert, then the equivalent insert is, of course, gone. Okay, so that's the way we emulate merge for you, and there is nothing you need to do. This works reliably.